Safe driving is a must under any circumstance, given the potential serious consequences of vehicle accidents. Winter conditions present additional challenges that must be properly understood and prepared for whenever driving takes place. There are many hazards that affect driving during winter conditions. Some hazards include ice, snow and slush, loss of vehicle control, braking and stopping distances, poor visibility, other drivers, vehicle failure, and being stranded. Ice, snow and slush are major driving hazards. Each can drastically change the driving conditions of the road, with ice acting as one of the greatest hazards for people driving in winter. Rain, melted snow or other sources of water can freeze when temperatures get low enough and cause ice on the road. Ice can cause an individual to lose control of their vehicle by preventing the tires from gripping the road. An extremely difficult type of ice is black ice, which is so clear and thin that the black road